burger. Home of the good burger. Can I take your order?
Man, if there was only a real life Good Burger, that would be so nice.
24 hours later.
This is a good burger from Arby's. A good strawberry shake from Arby's. Good crinkle fries from Arby's. Is this a collab for Good Burger too? Quiet, you. Arby's. We have the meat.
What? Arby's has the Good Burger 2 meal? That is crazy. Good Burger is literally Rhea's favorite movie. And they've got a Good Burger in real life? Wow. I gotta go let Rhea know. Guess what? You still got your PJs on? Guess what? They've got a Good Burger 2 meal. Yeah.
Let's go.
You wanna go taste it? Alright guys, we are at Arby's to get the Good Burger meal.
Thanks for chicken Arby's.
Hi, can I get the Good Burger 2 meal?
Yes, ma'am. Give me one moment.
Okay. Where's Rhea? There she is. Where in the world is...
You want curly or crinkle with that, ma'am?
You want curly or crinkle? Curly.
All right. What's that drink? You want a fountain drink or you want a shake?
The shake.
All right. Did you want whipped cream on that strawberry shake?
Yes.
All right. What that's gonna do for you?
That's it.
$13.56.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
$13.56. Alright guys, so we got our bag. We got our Arby's. And someone ate up all the fries. And we got, instead of the crinkle fries, we got the instead of the crinkle fries, we got the curly fries. And they are good. So the meal was $13.59, I believe. And it comes with the fries. You can choose between the crinkle or the curly. We got the curly. And the burger. And as you can see, it's got the Good Burger 2 sticker on the burger. And we got the shake with whipped cream on top, the strawberry shake. Alright, so let's start with the burger. Let's take a look at the burger. Okay. Oops. Where you put this in trash? I'm gonna have to cut this with a knife. Alright, this is how the burger looks. It's really wet, like I'm gonna have to cut it to give Rhea a piece of hers. There's Rhea. Alright guys, so the burger is kind of messy, so I cut, me and Rhea, we're sharing the burger. And it's pretty messy.
I didn't know you was gonna eat yours first.
Yo. It's got some kind of orange sauce on it. It's got
It's that burger, that sauce that people always like. You know
almost
that
like Big Mac sauce. It's got pickles, lettuce, and tomatoes, and onions. Mm. Do you not like it? Yeah. So, Rhea, what would you give the burger? Do you like the burger? You'll give it a what? 10 out of 10? 10 out of 10? I give the burger about a 8 out of 10. Real gives it a 10 out of 10. And the fries, like we already ran through those fries, so there's the fries. And I give the fries a 10 out of 10.
What did you get the burger?
I give the burger. I give the burger a 8 out of 10. And what did you give it?
No, I told you.
A 10 out of 10. Okay. And here's the strawberry shake. You already drunk some? That's good. That's just like strawberries.
Out of 10.
Where you get it?
10 out of 10.
I give the shake a 10 out of 10 too. So for the whole meal, I give it a 9.5. Alright folks, so Real gives it a 10, I give it a 9.5. So yep, the meal is it's good. And the fries, we like the curly fries better than the crinkle fries. She's not stopping on that milkshake. Alright guys, we wanna thank y'all for subscribing and liking and commenting. We're so grateful to have y'all subscribing and watching our channel. We'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye.